Safety first is a common term heard on the railroad. Many components make up this simple sounding saying, one being the quality of railroad tracks. Railroads are constantly checking to make sure that their tracks are in good shape, and many do this with what's known as a geometry train. A geometry train is a train that tests track geometry, which is the shape and angle of train tracks. For MBTA, only one car on a geometry train is actually testing the track geometry, and it is typically Amtrak's corridor clipper, which is leased to them about every 6 months. That is why I was surprised to learn that the Federal Railroad Administration's DODX 221 would be venturing out to the MBTA to test track geometry. In the wee hours of the morning on April 11th, 2021, the World of Transit and I went to Ruggles Station to attempt to catch the geometry train. After only waiting 30 minutes, the geometry train finally showed up, bound for Needham with a cool crew. After it passed, we were pleased, but we wanted a few more clips of the new Ruggles Station platform. Here's Amtrak 99 on the wrong track, scaring the ever-living daylights out of us. Lastly, MBTA 2803 arrived at Ruggles with a normal consist, wrapping up a short but extremely sweet morning out on the rails.